In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to invert camera on Discord. If you're using a webcam with Discord and want to invert or flip your camera view, one of the easiest ways to do it is by using OBS Virtual Camera. Discord itself doesn't include a built-in option for inverting your camera feed, but by routing your camera through OBS, you can apply the necessary transformation before the video is sent to Discord. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through the process so you can quickly get your camera looking exactly the way you want. To get started, open Discord on your PC. Once Discord is open, look toward the bottom left corner of the window and click the gear icon to open User Settings. This is where you'll find all of Discord's audio and video configuration options. After entering User Settings, look at the menu on the left side of the screen and scroll down until you find the Voice and Video section. Click on it to open your microphone and camera settings. This page allows you to manage the devices Discord uses during voice and video calls. Next, continue scrolling until you reach the camera section. Here you'll see a drop-down menu that lists all of the camera devices currently available on your computer. If you're planning to use OBS to invert your camera, this is the setting you'll come back to after configuring your video source in OBS. Now switch over to OBS Studio. Make sure your webcam has already been added as a video source. From there, you can apply the appropriate transformation to your camera feed, such as flipping it horizontally or vertically, depending on the effect you're trying to achieve. Once the camera looks correct in OBS, start the virtual camera. This allows OBS to send the modified camera feed to other applications, including Discord. After the virtual camera is running, return to Discord and go back to the camera selection in the voice and video settings. Open the camera drop-down menu and select OBS Virtual Camera as your active camera. Discord will now receive the video feed directly from OBS, including any transformations you've applied. Take a moment to check the camera preview in Discord to make sure everything appears the way you intended. If necessary, you can switch back to OBS to make additional adjustments before returning to Discord. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully learned how to invert your camera on Discord by using OBS Virtual Camera, giving you greater control over how your video appears during calls and meetings. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel.